We are going to Tringalwadi Fort. So this is the railway dam. Guys, right now we are almost near the Tringalwadi Fort. I thought this rock was the Tringalwadi Fort, but this is not that one. And this is not one. It is here somewhere. So the trek to Tringalwadi Fort has been started, and right now we are front of it. So guys, right now we are at the caves which are dedicated to Jainism. So these are the leftovers of the caves. You can see some art which is completely in a destroyed mode. You can see this. This is the face of the Mahavira, and you can see some of the remains of this cave, and you can see this beautiful entrance. The only beauty you can see is of this entrance, the beautifully carved structure. Very beautifully carved. You can see this. The carvings are very perfect and very sharp. There is a statue inside, but it is not in good condition. So we will right now move towards the fort, Tringalwadi Fort. So you can see this. There is a beautiful window. You can see the carvings, the Devlokas or Yakshas, maybe someone. It's very peaceful from here. My friends waiting for me. So bye bye to this beautiful cave. So guys, look at this beautiful landscape. This is the region behind me, and we gonna see region towards that side. Just came from this route, and this route is very slippery and it is very steep, so you need to watch out if you're coming from here. There is another road which is safe, I guess. So you can see the left side from where we came to this place, and this is part is I think it will be Thane region or Mumbai region on this side, Kasara region, and this is the Kasara Ghat mountain range. Very beautiful panoramic view of this location, and the climate is super clean. Aradi Fort. We are here. So two of my friends, they went ahead and I'm taking my time because I don't want to push myself because I'm not a regular trekker. As of now, I used to trek, but I have some breathing problem, to be honest. So that is the reason I trek at my own pace. So guys, we are almost near the top. Guys, these are the steep stairs. So guys, this is one of the gates, entry to fort, but it is completely destroyed. So this is one of the entrance. These are the stairs leading to this entrance. I feel this is the entrance wall of this fort, the entrance gate, but it is not in good condition, completely devastated. You can see this. So as you can see, we are at the top of the fort, and now we will be going to explore this fort. So I'm observing that the protection walls of this fort are fallen down and they are not in good shape. I see some kind of the construction of the wall fortification, I see there, and on the right side I see some construction, old building construction from the past. Now we will go to this point. So these are some construction on the fort. Let's explore. Let's go into this small wada, what we can see. And this is the entrance of this small wada. And there is one construction there, and this is one small construction. So right now we are going towards the Kokun Darwaja of this fort. So there are no monkeys on this fort because there are no trees. We are descending the fort. This is the view that takes all the footage. We are almost at our pike, and this is the view of the farmlands around here. Now it's time for lunch. So guys, right now I'm outside this Tiger Valley Hotel, which is on the Igatpuri Nashik road. It is very close to Igatpuri. So we had our lunch. It is very heavy lunch and very homemade. So it was okay. The taste was really different of chicken masala, but overall it was good and very satisfactory. So this is the name of the hotel if you wanted to come. And this is the Nasik highway. So the next stop we are going to is Bauli Dam, which is close by in the vicinity. So let's check out Bauli Dam and then we will start our journey back to home. Nothing to see except the park, which is boring. The main attraction of this place is this Mayan market, and you can explore this museum. I don't know what is inside it. So guys, right now we are at the Bauli Dam. Look at the view.